So take a look what you've done. Cause baby, now we got better blood.
Hey, I can't take it back. Look where I'm at. We was OG like DOC, remember that. My TOC was quite OD.
Welcome to Juke and Jigga. Today I'm going to be installing a RAM phone mount slash GPS mount. And I'll just go over the installation process over here. So the package came with the fork thingy-mabobber, the ball thingy-mabobber, and these nut thingy-mabobbers with the little grippy thing on top, and all these different types of washers and one bolt and nut. Things you'll need: Allen key, ruler, X-Acto knife or any type of blade, box cutter, whatever you have, and maybe some gloves. I don't know. Don't cut yourself. I'm using the piece of wood just to cut the little stem thingy when I get to it. So let's take all this shit out first. Awesome. Remember to cap your X-Acto, because you don't want to stab yourself in the leg or foot. So the first thing we'll do is we're gonna shove this little bitch inside here. Make sure you get it all snug and tight. And that feels about right there. Oh fuck, I don't have a pen. Son of a whore. Oh, here we go. I apologize for my mess. Been cleaning some stuff out of the back barn. Let's get this thing done. Oh shit, I got it all over the wrong place. Man, I fail. Son of a whore. Whatever, you guys got the point. Take it out. Oh, and if that doesn't work, you also have this little line that, you know, goes around right here. And this bitch. There you go. So make the first cut at that stupid little hole. Make sure you make the first cut at that line. Yeah, you put that in there. Where'd it go? Oh man, I suck at cutting straight. It should still work though. And the next thing you do is measure about 1 inch from the top. So from there to this little hole right here. Just make a little mark again, because that's another place you're gonna have to cut this stupid motherfucking rubber. Don't try this. There we go. 1 inch. Done with the X-Acto. Put that bitch back in. Now the next thing you're gonna do is, let's see, they have all these different washers, right? Hizzle my nizzle. Of course, isn't gonna fit neither of those. We'll take these and put them over here. See whichever one fits the best. To make sure it doesn't go bigger than the hole. I think this one works well. If I just cut it damn straight, yeah, that works fine. And the next thing you're gonna have to choose is the nut that goes on the bottom. It looks like this one works the best, the smallest. Come on, bitch. Oh, hell no. There we go. Oh, shit. Okay, I'll cut that off. It went flying like a motherfucker. Okay, so we got this mofo. Put the bolt in, like that. Put the washer in. Ah, oh, son of a whore. Put this mofo in. And then make sure you put this thing with the little teeth thing facing down on there, and put this stupid ass bolt on here. Oh, motherfucker, it would go upside down. Get out of there. Motherfucker, bitch. Okay, let's do this slow and steady. I should just take my gloves off for this part. There we go. I got that. Make sure you just hold on to it, and I'm pretty sure it's the 3mm Allen key you need. Yeah. Just keep twisting it. And then you just put this bitch on there, and I had to shave it down a little bit because I'm a bad cutter. But if you keep twisting it, it should, you know, grip it by itself. Next thing you do is take your Allen key, tighten it up. Make sure you hold on to that part. Keep going. Tighten it up to the point where the teeth are being shoved into the little plastic part right there. Go to your bike, put it in there. It should fit in pretty snug. And then just start tightening. There we go. I got it in there. It's all snug. It's tight. It doesn't seem like it's gonna move, but let's go one more crank. There we go. And then when you have it installed, it should move to your steering like that. So it's pretty badass. And the accessories I got were this little coupling thing and the GPS/smartphone holder. And I'll show you how to install that since I'm already doing this. You just put that ball in there. Put this testicle in here. Ah, you bitch. Just unscrew it a little bit so it goes in. There we go. And then all you have to do is tighten this up a little. I guess leave it a little loose so you can move this around and adjust it. So my favorite position would probably be like this. And then just, you know, have it where you want it and tighten the dick up. There we go. Take your smartphone or GPS and open that up a little bit. Bam! Done. Whoosh. And that's how you install a RAM mount. So I just installed this RAM mount and I'm just going out to make sure it runs fine. Whoa, nice.
One overjoyed.
Yep, it seems like this RAM mount is working well. And that's all she wrote, you guys. That's all she wrote. Don't forget to follow me on, whatchamacallit, the one with the pictures, Instagram. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and like the video. Have a good day.